Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering off and unplugging the system. This prevents shorts and protects components. Once done, discharge residual power by pressing the case power button. Make sure you're grounded, static kills parts, so use a wrist strap or frequently touch the chassis. Open the side panel and visually confirm the GPU model, the PCIe retention latch, and any 6/8-pin power connectors. You're initiating the removal, not rushing. Identifying connectors, and the slot orientation now saves time and reduces risk later. Now disconnect the GPU's power cables, depress the plastic clip, and pull the plugs straight out to avoid damaging pins. Next, remove the bracket screws at the rear. Use a bit holder or magnetic driver to prevent drops. Then, locate the PCIe slot latch. Press or flip it while supporting the card with your other hand. Pull the GPU straight out in a steady motion to prevent slot damage. If it resists, check for hidden screws or cables. Do not pry or twist the board. After removal, inspect the PCIe slot and GPU connector for dust or bent pins. Gently blow out debris and place the card into an anti-static bag. Reinstall the side panel, reconnect mains, and power on to confirm the system posts without the GPU or switches to onboard video. If you need to reinstall, align the card to the slot and repeat steps in reverse. If the system fails to post, reseat the card. Verify power cable seating, and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.